Becky and Preveza, after 5 months, back to the boat, see what state it's in. I've got to sort this halyard out and then put the head sail up and we can launch it, amongst other jobs. So I've just had to put a knot on there, a different knot. I've done a bowline, but apparently there's a shackle halyard knot that I've done. So I put that on there now, so it's self-tightening, that one. Whereas a bowline, I think it's not the tension and probably come loose. So I'm probably going to cut that end off there, I think, so it can't snag on anything. But it's not bad. There's a bit of bird shit on the boat. We had a tarpaulin sheet over the doorway. That's just disintegrated now. But better than we thought it'd be. Loads of unpacking to do. Look at this. Beautiful night on the boatyard, and then out for some tea. And this little taverna here is just outside the boatyard. So we've just left the customs office, which is over there, and they've finally agreed we can get an unlimited transit log. We have to pay a €500 fine, but he's sorting it out now. He said come back tomorrow. We'll have no car tomorrow, so he said 2 or 3 hours. So we're going to have a brew or something now, wander around, maybe buy some chandlery or something, some towels. And over here, this is the marina over here, and then this is where you end up anchoring, because the boatyard is over there where the masts are, so we end up anchoring over here. But you have to fight to try and get your dinghy in here because the locals have got every single space on the dock. So it took 3 or 4 days, but we got launched and now we're off on our way to Nidri. Little catty.
Oh, there's another one there. Go on, here comes another one.
Right, little cat. You're a cute. Oh, on the wall. Oh, here.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. I'd say they're only about 6, 8 weeks old.
That's new, isn't it? Linda wants a house in Nidri now. That big propeller.
Yeah. Luxury apartments there, look.
Ah.
Sounds like it's a please note. This track is the entrance to our home. It's not a public toilet. If I catch you, I will be on YouTube for the world to see. You have been warned. Oh, that one then. You get diseases of horses. Maybe.
Nay.
Nay.
Hello, little horse. Oh dear.
Hello.
I come to say hello to you.
Hello. You got flies on you? If only we had some apples or something, hey? Hey? I hate it when they're all full of flies, do you?
You alright, little horsey?
Hello. Hello. Got very skinny legs like me. Doesn't really like to be stroked, does it?
Give it some grass. Give it some long grass.
I haven't got any long grass here. Probably got plenty of grass there. Need some carrots.
Oh, get out. It stung me.
What was it?
The spike went to me. Sorry, mate.
Sorry, mate. No good grass here.
Well, see you soon then. Get flies around his eyes.
I know.
Jeez.
Oh.
So we gave up on the Nuji waterfalls. So went over to Leo, so these guys doing the jet boat racing.
What? Yeah. Found the police station. Yeah.
So then we went long lining in Meganissi, or practicing anyway, went alright. So we dropped the anchor in about 16 metres and then reversed back on it. I think we're in about 4 metres back then. It was gorgeous.
We left Port Athene, which is over there, and we're going to Miticus, which is straight ahead of us, which is over here. This is supposed to be like old-fashioned Greek before the tourists got in, so we'll see what it's like. There's a little harbour down there as well. It's in the book we can go to.
And that was called Episcopi.
So we're going to go around this corner here, just the other side of this. So we're going to go around here. So the sunken harbour is here somewhere, and the other little harbour's over there. Now we're in Miticus. Look at this, traditional Greek. And that. Gorgeous. We're on the quest for the petrol station because we've got a faulty fuel gauge that shows full. I'm not sure how much we've got, so I'll put 10 litres in there today, and that was saving. But oh, here we are. Gas station for service boats, cars and gas. Excellent. Yeah. Tractor Dave on his bike there. Not an ounce of rust on that Beetle.
Few batters.
Oh yeah. Is it open?
Yeah.
Looks that way, doesn't it? We're going there then.
Little did we know how many wasps would be there after our beer and ice cream.
There's only us here. That has got to be cheap. Look at the doorway, no one's opened it for hours. Days. Years. Just big gates.
Here we go, walking down the road with a 10 litres of diesel because our diesel gauge isn't working and we can't risk running out because we're not in a port for another 3 days and it's very hot and it's about 2 miles, so ready for a beer.
And we got a beer, and this was our view.
Good morning from wonderful Miticus. So that's where we held up last night. The sun's just peeking out over the mountain, which now means we've got this. Gorgeous. Beautiful spot, only 5 boats here. Right, so that island there is the island of, here is the island of Calamos over there. So we've got some weather coming in. We currently are here. We've got some weather coming in, which is going to come in from round here and come up here. So the weather's going to be all across here, as in wind and rain, by 7 o'clock Thursday morning, and it's now Wednesday. So we're going to come out of here, come around here, go into a place here called Port Leone, which became an abandoned village when it ran out of water. Everyone emigrated around here. Go look down there, and then I come around the southern tip of it, probably through the top of that shoal. I said that's there is a shoal there, a shallow bit, up through there, around the bottom there, can you see? We normally see dolphins around here, so fingers crossed. And then over to Civita, which is here. So we want to try and get there tonight. We'll do anyway. Linda's a bit worried she might have turned into a tatty sailor person.
So we're going to Civita. We did get a spot of weather. Right, so today's job is, we filled up with diesel, but we had diesel come in the bilges, diesel overspilling. So the diesel overflow is here, and it was pissing out of here. Now where the piece of wood was here, you can see down there, it was canking the pipe, and the pipe was twisted down. Because of that, the diesel was always coming out of the top here, no matter how tight I got it, because it was pulling it down. So the wood's been taken out of there, now it pulls straight. So now this is full now. So even when we press it, we jump on it now like this, because it's absolutely topped up with fuel. Before it was pissing out of here. So now it's not coming out, but now I've got fuel all the way down here. This diesel down here is all full of diesel, so I'm going to sort that now.
Oh, where's Mark? Seems to be a lot of stuff on board. I don't know where he is. He seems to have disappeared. Last time I saw he was going down one of the hatches. Oh, there he is. Are you having fun, darling?
Living the high life.
That's the reality of owning a boat. Mopping up spilled diesel. Delightful.
So it had leaked on the other side. It had gone to the back of the boat. That was full. That had then filled up and then filled up other bilges. The back room was smelling as well. So in the back room it had come down here where the prop shaft comes through, and then this little bilge down here, that was full to brimming as well. So that's done as well.
Okay, so we're now in Vaseliki because Lynn's got toothache, and he went to the local clinic and he didn't charge her for a prescription, and then we went to the pharmacy and they charged a tenner, which is cool. So it's dead. We normally go over there on the main town quay, and there's nothing there at all. Only about 20 boats in there, or down here, or this is the brand new marina. Everything's all sorted. It's been lit like this for about 6 years, I think, but no one's allowed to use it due to paperwork. So this is Vaseliki Bay. So the big wind tears down this mountain every afternoon, and they call it Eric. So the windsurf centre and Hobie Cat, whatever, is in that far corner over there, which is where I was many years ago. I think I was 21 when I went over there.
So this is Vaseliki town, which is normally absolutely buzzing in summer. Like a ghost town today though.
Decimi, other side of Needry. Imagine being here and needing your own floating swimming pool. Madness. So we're hauling out today. We're in Professor Marine at the moment. It's only kind of 10 minutes over there, but there's thunderstorms at the moment. It's pissing down with rain. Oh, it's looking a bit brighter over there, look. So it should be a nice day, hopefully. Then we got down the boatyard fixing stuff. So we made it out. Bye bye, Professor Marine. Got the rainbow anyway. So we're here again in the pouring rain. So we didn't anti-foul her again before we put her in. We just left her as she was. So we're not sure how dirty her bottom is going to be. So that's what we're going to find out soon. Not hanging around these guys. You okay, Toad? Have a look. Just see how much. Pardon? A bit of slime, but nothing at all, really.
So this is about 8 o'clock in the morning, and we're going round now, filling all the holes with bits of cloth and stuff, stop insects and wasps and things making nests in the boat while we leave it. I got absolutely bitten to pieces doing this in the morning. My whole back was just a mass of mosquito bites. It's just like a swamp there. So the prop's all serviced. Lots of lovely grease in there. Folding prop. Anode's wearing, but that'll do for the next one. At least it's wearing. So I've just got about another 4 holes to do on the other side, and then pretty much that is it. That's it then. So we leave the boat now until we come back, probably in March, I think, to do a bit of anti-fouling before we launch her again. So that's it, folks. Bye for now.